What we on? Week 4, day 1, last week of the thing. Brody got this. We doing the offset?
Yeah, forward offset.
Ah, shit.
So the second one is.
I'm telling you to bring it back around. Yeah.
Hey, what's it called, Malik? I'm gonna need you to take a picture of me today.
I got you.
With,
I'm doing it.
Of just like how Jonathan had.
Oh yeah. I got you.
Yeah.
We out here, man. Right now. Y'all see it? Hold on, let me show y'all. What I say? 4th week, 1st day, last fucking week. We on lunch already. Normally we get like a little 30-minute lunch. Today we got a little hour, like 45 minutes. But I ain't really bring much. You know I got an orange. Got some cashews. And I know it's not healthy, but I got a little bit of chips. You know, kettle corn. I might not eat these though, to be honest. I'm not really that hungry. I'm about to my gloves go. Oh, here they go. She make these gloves. So today we're just doing a lot more of the offset, the reverse offset, which is smooth. It's smooth. I don't know. The only thing I gotta get down is this pre-trip, man. I was supposed to take that last Friday, but I don't know what happened. Everything's smoother. So we got like 4 more days until we go to the DMV, take our behind the wheel, our skill test, our pre-trip. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I think I'm about to take my test in the automatic. And then if I ever want to go get it restricted, that's when I'm gonna get it restricted, because I ain't got time for nothing but to get my fucking CDL license. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna tell them today that I'm trying to go automatic. Any job I do good anyway, they said they stopped making automatics in 2017. And every job, like I said, every job that came to recruit, they all said that all their trucks is automatic. So having a restriction on my license is gonna be as bad as it sounds. To be honest. Man, this orange is sweet. But yeah, man. For like all this week, mainly we're gonna do our skill test. I couldn't really record much. Man, y'all. I just did my little pre-trip exam. What? I only missed 1? What? I ain't gonna lie, I missed like maybe 2 or 3, but he had helped me with it. I mean, he didn't really help me with it. He kind of like guided me. But what? 2 or 3, cool. Y'all see it? Woo-wee. Now I'm about to go driving. I had told my instructor, like, nah, I'm trying to do automatic. So he was like, all right, you'll go on later in the afternoon. It's about like 1:30 right now.
We met some guys that are a little bit shorter stature. Yeah. Put them in that red truck, they can't do it. Because just the way the seat is adjusted and everything like that, they can't reach the pedals properly.
A heavy haul or something like that.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think. Ooh, top of the line, top of the line. We on week 4, day 2. Sheesh. Yesterday, we did my little pre-ship exam. I did good. Today, we about to study on skills and drive. We drive every day for at least an hour, if not a little more. Just because I think we got to have at least 10 hours done by Wednesday, I want to say. But yeah, skills. And driving. Hey, nothing much to it, but to get to it, yeah, man, we up and at it. Damn, there's a lot more cars today. They did say, sheesh. They did say it's gonna be a whole nother class all month long. Oh, man, I'm tired. Hey, well, look, he doing his pre-trip. Some people out there, I can't see them no more. I hear them though. But I'm in this two. I think this is an automatic one for sure. Oh shit, they right there. Y'all seen them? Oh shit. They closing it. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm in here chilling though. This bed's a little dirty, but that's why I'm just sitting on it. I had to get out. He ended up opening it. I was about to get caught. Had to get away, love. Y'all see this one? So got like a little row. Y'all see it?
Self-driving trucks.
No. I mean, eventually, but not in our lifetime. Maybe yours, but maybe towards the end of your career before they can develop that kind of technology to do it. And then half of your landing gear you can't see, the other half you can. That's usually about the spot all the way to the right. And then you hold it, come back around. You see yourself get straight to stop, and I can see my target that I'm a little bit too close to. So I'm going to burn one of my pull-ups.
Oh man, it's raining out here. Oh man, shit, dirt. I don't know if y'all see it, but it's raining. Fudge nudge. Hey y'all, I just got back from driving. Honestly, now that I'm in an automatic, driving is a breeze. They did say it's a lot boring when you drive in an automatic, but hey, I'm just about to get this guaranteed. And then I'm gonna worry about getting a restriction. Honestly, I might not even need the restriction off, but it ain't gonna make or break my job, because I don't know if y'all remember, I said that they stopped making manual sticks in 2017 or 16. It was one of them. And then any recruiter that came to talk to us, they said all their trucks is automatic. So why not? You know what I mean? Other than that, the driving part is a breeze. It's raining. No. where the cones at?
It's right there.
You see it?
I think I do. I'm gonna pull up.
Yeah, you should go all the way up so you can. Oh no, we gotta go all. No, all the way to the left. All the way to the left.
All the way to the left?
Yeah.
Why?
Because that cone, those cones right there, gotta be to your right side.
Those cones?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Shit. I think I'm missing something.
You see that orange cone right there?
Yeah.
That gotta be on your right side.
The little small one?
Yeah, it gotta be over here on this side.
Oh shit, I fucked up,
So
right?
you gotta go all the way up. You might as well go all the way to the left, all the way to the left. Put your trailer all the way to the left. And then right.
Shit, we're fucked.
he said, shit, we're fucked.
I don't know, I'm lost.
Where he at? Oh, who said that? Who said that?
I think I'm lost.
Huh?
I think I'm lost.
Lost?
I don't know where I'm going.
Yeah. Hey, one of you guys want to get in the seat in?
Yeah, I got you. Let me get this here, man.
Right now, start making a left.
Go left, go
Let's
left.
go. Turn the wheel to
Yeah,
left.
there you go.
1, 2.5. Here you go. Here we go.
Damn. This whole thing is muddy. Y'all see it? Fuck no. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm out this thing. Dang, my feet is hella muddy. Ooh, I'm going home. Yeah, so today we just did so we drove for an hour or two, and then we did I don't know why I'm choking. I'm not choking. We did our we did our skill test. So basically parallel parking. And oh boy, do we all need practice. All right, y'all. Yes, sir. Shit, right now, we all just finna see who taking what, with what. Still automatic. I got me dead. Yeah. Oh yeah, y'all see it. We out here on the main line.
How you do when you're hungry?
Yeah. Hey, we I know they ain't talking about, oh shit. About to hit Burger King, get some fries. Y'all see where I'm at.
Chicken fries too.
Man, I'm up and at it. What we on? Week 4, day 4, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah. Let's get it. Rise and shine, baby. It was supposed to rain today and yesterday. Shit, the sun came out yesterday. Whoever's the weather forecast, man, yeah, they need to get fired. I mean, I know they only predicting, but hey, they predicting was way off. It was sunny yesterday. It's damn near sunny today. And it's only like 6 o'clock damn near. Oh, like 6:20. But yeah, man. All right, in the morning, getting to it. Week 4, day 4. We're gonna see what today brings us. I believe I see the black cat. I believe we about to still do our skills, our back and forward offset, and also we still gotta do some driving in because we gotta get at least 10 hours in by the next 2 days. Oh damn. God dang, it's foggy out here. Hey, I don't know if that was a myth growing up. They said when it's foggy at nighttime, it's gonna be hot in the morning. It look like a fire. Hey y'all, days though. I got today and tomorrow. And then next week we're supposed to be getting everybody's supposed to be getting appointments in the DMV. Sheesh. It's getting real. Really real. God damn it. Am I tripping? Nah, there's some clouds. Cause in the mountains. Jeez. 2 more days. 2 more days. Hey, y'all see it though. The sun is out. Watch it start raining in the next, I give it an hour. Hey, we started right here in El Centro. They got a whole helicopter on top. At a gas station too. Sheesh. Y'all see it? Nothing but rocks out here. I ain't gonna lie to you, I ain't never been out here. And the gas is at $5.99. Shit. That's still a lot to be way out here though. But let's go inside this store and grab some snacks. Oh damn. Hello. What we snacking on? What we snacking on? Better grab me a busier. I don't think I'm driving no more. About to grab me some seeds. Smoky barbecue. Can't go wrong with no barbecue.
Can you get some seeds?
Hell yeah. Something to snack on. Got these old schools. I should get one for my uncle.
What about myself? I'm gonna get myself a hot dog.
You're not about to get a wiener schnitzel.
Wait, how the hell do you open this?
Let's grab some Cheez-Its. Gotta grab me a few things, a few snacks, a little vitamin water. It was straight. Lady was nice. Shit, back at it. We in El Centro, man. Y'all see it? I can't get enough of that chopper on top of them. Come on, man. So here's a runaway truck ramp.
How is this supposed to stop it?
Oh, this one goes down?
Yeah,
Oh, is that just hit gravel?
Oh, that gravel.
there it is.
And just the gravel will stop here?
That gravel, it's about like 5 feet till you get to it. Yeah, it'll stop you.
That's marks in there. Damn. Yeah, I saw the marks.
Look like somebody already
Somebody's
used
been
it.
in there.
Yeah.
Damn. You got the little down right there.
Yeah, this is Hong Kong North.
Oh, y'all see it?
Hong Kong North Bay.
I gotta use the bathroom again.
This is
Gee, what is this? Off the rotor? That shit look clean. Y'all see it? Like got some rubber rails. Yeah, we out here in El Centro, huh? This looks like a truck stop. Oh, it is. Man, road trip. Yeah, we back. We back, goddammit. Oh, hold on. Dang, El Centro. That was my first time way out there. It's a little lonely out there. Okay. Right now we're doing the offset forward and reverse. Got a car right there. Y'all probably can't see it, but oh, y'all see it. Make the left first. Okay. We got this.
Yeah.
Some seats. They fire.
Oh shit, man, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
No problem.
The thing is, though, once you get started on these things, you got to do the whole bag.
Yeah, yeah, for real. Okay, turn it left just to get the trailer in a little more.
Like when it's out, you know, you make your hard left,
Yeah.
then you come out and make your hard right, and then you
Yeah.
bring it through.
Yeah.
Then when you come back, you roll it through, and you line up that fourth tandem axle. Right after that, then you start hanging your left, man.
Yeah.
And until you get that fucking the landing gear in the mirror.
Yeah, no
Then you
facts.
hard right, you know.
Yeah, hard right,
And do it over again, you know. With
Yeah.
seeing the tandem, and then pretty much you should be straight. Then you can you go back until it straightens out, and then you're going back.
Yeah, and you get 2 pull-ups, so if you ever need one type shit.
Yeah.
Oh, he's in there.
Straight down.
Oh yeah, he's in there. And he get 2 pull-ups, so he can come up once. And there you have it. All right, we're gonna do this one more time. You gotta make sure his back tandem go in between this right here. Back axle gotta go in between that. And it's okay if you hit it a little bit, okay. As long as you get your right tandem in. Y'all see it? As soon as you pass those, his first thing he gonna do is turn hard left. And he's saying now. You're turning right, you're supposed to turn left. Buddy, you're supposed to turn left. Okay, there you go. There you go. I think when he first turned his left, it just wasn't long enough. But he got it though. What time did you guys end up coming back to the yard? Like an hour ago, at least, almost?
11:30, 11:45.
Oh, damn.
This is somebody with a United, got a job locally. He said the first time he passes up everything, the second time he passes this, the third time he got a vote. The third time, yeah. Yeah, I believe so. Okay. Oh, that's you? That's you? That's you? Oh, sorry, right there.
You guys gonna do brake check? No, but I'm not in 2 points of contact. Hey, good one. Good shit.
Oh, ain't no key in here, huh? All set, baby. She said that she want me, I say knock it off. Maybe you ain't used to what you used to. Right now he about to get out and check if his last tandem is in that box. Because it's 4 tests on the skill test. It's the back, offset reverse. You gotta get your front tandems in that box, and then your back tandem in that box, and then there's all the way forward and all the way back. Like a straight line. That's what it's called. We're gonna see what they say. Are you in there?
Huh?
Are you in there?
I need a foot.
A foot?
Yeah.
Alright. And you get two get outs.
2 get outs?
My boy Malik
driving. You see it? So right now what I'm about to do is a reverse offset. You gotta get the front a little bit. Come over the cone. At this point I want to get my tandem inside that cone. Okay. Oh, you got me?
Yeah, I got you. Just keep doing. I'm just watching. I'm learning too.
Are you? Let's go check these bitch. Oh, y'all see it?
Just like that.
Okay. Y'all see it? You say your turn.
My turn.
Yeah.
You did it?
Yeah.
Oh shit! All right. I need some guidance,
You got this shit?
please.
Huh?
I need some guidance, please.
Don't look at the camera. Look at this. You got this, Jonathan?
All the way left.
Yeah.
Shit.
Way to stop. Here. Turn into your left mirror.
Sorry.
Go back around. Go back around.
All right.
Steer right towards that puppy and put it in between there.
Got it.
And you got it made. All right?
You got this. You got this, Jonathan. Straighten up.
I'm straighten up.
Yeah. Instead me.
It's a workout.
Huh?
This is my workout here. Shit, I'm fucking tired.
Okay, you got it. Keep going. You got this shit.
God damn, this is my workout.
Turn the wheel to the right. Straighten your wheels.
Straighten my wheels a bit.
There you go.
Oh shit, wrong one.
Reverse.
Reverse.
Hard left.
Hard left, okay.
Jeez. Week 4, day 5. Today's our last day, y'all. Last day of schooling. So I know for sure what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the skills damn near all day. I think he said he's gonna give us a quick little, because we have to have 10 hours of driving in. He's gonna give us a quick little drive. We'll probably, but I know a lot of us need practice on skilling, so I don't mind. I got the driving down packed. That parallel parking is a little different because it's not like parking like a car. It's a little different. Oh yeah, man. Let's see what today brings us, you know what I mean?
She said she don't have no problem. Why can't we just stop them? 'Cause you're my boo. You're my boo. I want more or less. You're gonna have to put down the stress and start smoking these drugs. I never knew what I would do. I just know I'm blazed. I think it's time for you and I to say goodbye. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if this will work out between me and you. All the shit you put me through, I couldn't see it through. I think it's time. Oh, baby, tell me where do we go from here? You hurt me bad. Now I'm sad. Tell me who'll go back to the bad. I never wanted to.
You say that it's clever. I I say it's true. So tell me.
Why would you do this to me? Everybody can't breathe. But I can see, I can clearly see that things will go wrong. Oh, things can go wrong.
Back at it, last day. Oh shit. Last day, man. Next week we start going to the DMV. Sheesh. Alright, it's my turn to do the little skill test. Don't tell nobody I didn't get in with 3 points of contact, but yeah, I wish I could set y'all up somewhere. Let me see. Hey, hopefully that worked. Hopefully that stayed. Alright. Got my wallet. Okay. Oh, there you come. Here comes the instruction.
We're gonna go from start to finish. So
Okay.
take it all the way out, forward control stop, go
Okay.
all the way out, back out, come in, come out. All right?
Okay, yes sir. Air brakes. Man. Back up all the way. Oh, I had to start the video. I thought somebody was coming in. Alright. I'm gonna try to set y'all up. What I'm doing is backing up all the way. Going up all the way now. I'm doing my forward stop. Let's get out. 3 point. 1, 2, 3. No, I gotta be in the middle. Let's just say I was in the middle. Let's just say I did what I didn't. Fuck it. So my front bumper gotta be in the middle of those two things. See, now I'm about to do my forward offset, which I'm gonna come all the way out and try to put my last tandems in between that and those bars. Oh damn. I gotta wash my back mirror. Straighten it out. Okay, y'all can't see it, but my back tandems gotta be just like that. Not too far from the cone and not too away from it. And I'm about to back this thing up. Honestly, I ain't got nobody in here to record me, so I'm about to do what it do because the instructors is watching, so I'm gonna holler for $1. Y'all get it though. Yeah, we rolling clean, y'all. Oh, shit.
They're military, you know?
Yeah, that's what it is. He wait for you to scoot up so he can start doing it again. You ain't slick. Yeah, man. So for sure, we're doing nothing but skills today. Like I said, we do gotta have 10 hours of driving time in, so everybody's gonna go out. But for sure, skills. I guess this is one of the parts where a lot of people fell on. But yeah, y'all see it. Now James about to hop in. I mean, Skylar.
Fucking stress the fuck out.
Hey,
Ain't gonna lie.
I feel you on that. The truth shall set you free.
You know? I'm getting frustrated, you know?
Yeah.
Everybody's doing so good and fucking,
Nah, hell no. I think we all need practice.
you know, it's just, where's the seat to put a, yeah.
Oh, at the bottom right.
I gotta get my fat stomach off the wheel.
I feel you.
I have lung disease, you know, so I'm pretty much fucking on my fucking way out. I can't fucking exercise with the shit.
Damn. How long did they diagnose you? Long ago did they diagnose you for lung disease?
Oh, about 6 months ago.
6 months? Was it just smoking too much, or
No, it has
it's genetics?
I don't have anything to smoking or drugs or shit, man.
Oh.
It's all because the work I used to do, inhaling metal.
Oh, damn. Goddamn. What job you used to do? Like a welder?
Yeah, welding, metal fabrication.
Sheesh. Like when you cough, it hurts?
No, I just get really short of breath and really hard to breathe, you know?
I feel that.
Like, I used to be really athletic, snowboarding, skateboarding,
Oh, damn.
fighting, mosh pitting, motocross.
Stop. I gotta fix the airline.
And then all of a sudden, I couldn't breathe no more doing anything, man. And I was like,
yeah.
what the fuck, man?
Oh, yeah.
And it mainly started happening when I was in prison, man. You know?
Yeah.
Like before I went, it was happening, and then when I was in, I just did 5 years flat, you know.
Oh, damn.
Fucking federal,
Okay.
and man, it started really taking a toll on me then, you know.
Damn. Damn, I'm sorry to hear that, man. Especially you get it just for trying to do the right thing. You was at work. You know what I mean?
I work for myself, you know.
Yeah.
Fucking, it's cutting up metal, man, and breathing it. You
Yeah.
know, and if you ever do it, man, make sure you fucking wear a respirator, man.
Yeah, them tiny particles will get in you.
It ain't a joke, man. Once they get in your lungs, dude, it just starts tearing up your lungs, and then you start producing all this phlegm, and then all your
Release the air and let's see if it's still leaking. No. The knobs.
oh, okay. Yeah, and then your lungs just start filling up with fucking with phlegm, you know,
Yeah.
and it starts blocking your airways.
Sheesh. It ain't got too hot. My boy Ishmael's in the seat now. Here we go see if his tandem is back there. Okay, it's James' turn.
Oh God, here you are. I thought you left already.
All right, y'all. It's lunchtime. It's like 11:35-ish. He said to be back at 12. So all morning, we've basically been doing skills. Like I said, we've been doing that since 7 this morning. Put a little alcohol on my face. Oh man. Ooh, I needed that. But yeah, right now, I guess we're waiting for a couple others to get back with the truck. They want to go put some gas in it. About to eat some lunch. It's hot out here, man. About to smack down. I bought me a little cheese cream cake. Let's see. I ain't never had one before, but I always seen one at the 7-Eleven or like a gas station. I said, why not? Let me try it. You know what I mean? But it looked like the other people just got back. So the owner of this whole program is here. And I guess we about to go, as soon as we get done with lunch, we about to go do pre-trip with her. Sheesh. I'm glad we've been doing skills all day. That's honestly what we should have been doing since the last week, first day. But hey, you win some, you lose some. I feel a lot more confident today than any other day, to be honest, because we've been doing it back to back to back to back to back. From my understanding is, as soon as we get done from lunch, we're going to go do our hour drive. And then that might sum up the day, because it's already about to be 12 o'clock by the time we get done with lunch. But yeah, man. So right now I'm about to go talk to the owner to see what day I'm supposed to be going to the DMV, either Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Hey, y'all see it? Y'all see it? It's my certification. I'm gonna open it once I get you the pad. Oh man. Sheesh. Your boy's officially done with CDL school. I was supposed to get a date to go to the DMV. But I guess she said to keep myself by standby because she's gonna text me or call me and let me know the date, because I don't know if I told y'all I ended up going automatic. She said she doesn't have an exact date when the automatic is gonna go down to the DMV. But I ain't tripping. I'm just gonna study some more, and then hold on. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep studying. Shit. Get that extra confidence. But right now I didn't get to take my my air brake test this morning, so she had quizzed me on it. Oh, my brother calling. All right, y'all, let's open this bad boy and let's see what it do and what it don't. Y'all see it? Okay, let's say congratulations. Oh wait, there you go. There go that bad boy we was looking for. United Trucking School certificate. Y'all see it? Hey. Oh my Lord. I know y'all see my full government, but hey, I ain't worried about it. Google me, baby. But this is IN's hiring directly out of school. Okay, so this is just a whole bunch of schools that will hire me directly out of school. I ain't worried about it. I'm trying to go with May. May, if you see me, I'm coming for you, baby. Oh, hold up. This must be a copy of one. This is the legit one. Y'all see the gold? Oh, wait. Hit the DMV and pass this bad boy. Y'all know we gotta pop it. Y'all know we gotta pop this. Matter of fact, we gonna have to pop both of these bad boys. Back to back too, on everything. I'm saving these for that day specifically. I got these from Big Bro on my birthday. But hey, you see it? Hey, until then, we're gonna take a shot at this. Hold on. Yep, good old Patron. And I still got a couple shots left. Yeah, we're just gonna take a shot just for completing the course. You know what I mean? Oh shit's at. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Success. I want everybody to take a shot with me. Shout out to the ones, that's out there working. Because you got a handful out there that just refuse to work. They ain't got no problem being a bum. You know what I mean? But yeah, put your shot glasses up. If you got a beer, chug the beer, something. But yeah, to us.